Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to the Shell 7-Eleven with a Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5 in Arlington, Texas.
Now what does 5 mean? 5 brushes?
Well, it's a newer Softgloss Maxx version.
Because 5 can also mean $5 foot long at Subway, right?
Yeah.
But today it's for 5 brushes. There's my joke, guys.
Yeah, even though a classic Ryko Softgloss Maxx has 5 brushes too.
Okay, well here we go. So this is a newer system.
Yeah.
Has it been reviewed before?
I don't think so.
Okay. Is this the one people have been asking you to review?
Yeah, just one person.
Okay, well.
Because it has that that Ryko Slimline Dryer, the black ones.
Okay.
I've never seen a black Slimline before.
Credit card and code only.
Okay, so
you can borrow my credit card if you like.
Yeah.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash by type. Please insert payment now. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Let's get one more view of the pay
Okay,
station.
here we go.
Please select to wash by
Okay.
touching
So the premium wash was $25 today on the card.
25.
I was seeing if our backer was listening. 12. Our backer's heart rate just accelerated, everyone. Oh, I see the mini rails. Our backer's not capable of driving this vehicle through slim places.
Right, especially a system like this, since at one time almost knocked the mirror off.
Her job is to invest. My job is to drive. Cameraman's job is to film.
Yep.
Okay, so far I think I'm centered.
Oh, there's a sign right on the right side as well.
There we are. This is a Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5.
Yep.
Okay. Well, there we go. Let's give it a try.
This is something that we normally plan to take the Tahoe through. Because it has 5 brushes.
We're going to take the Tahoe Thursday. Remind me, okay?
Yep.
We have to. Matter of fact, I'm going to set a reminder now. All right. Take. Oh. Yeah, we won't forget. I'm putting a reminder in.
Alright,
Swap.
saying Color Star Foam. Look at the colors, Mom.
There we go.
Oh, wow. Thank you for. Ooh.
And they got the
Oh
rents
my
on.
God.
These are actually the coolest colors I've seen.
If you can see the back of the truck.
Oh,
Yeah.
my Lord.
So many colors, like the rainbow back of the bed of the truck.
Yep, here's the rants.
You know what? It's better than a rainbow. It's like Skittles. It's not tri-foam, it's Skittles foam.
You can taste the rainbow.
We got jokes this morning.
Yeah.
It actually smells clean. And that's the Ryko 95 mask.
Yeah.
Okay, so far so good. You know what the final review is going to be about, right? The dryers.
Yeah. About the timer and stuff.
Yep. The driver is all about the dryer.
Yep. Oh, here's the rants. Yeah. Now it's saying washing.
Is that from like getting hit from like the emitters?
The brushes, you meant.
Brushes, yeah.
Thursday we're taking the Tahoe, so you got to pick a 5-brush
Do
system.
y'all feel that?
Yes, the power, the whole
What
vehicle's
the
shaking.
heck is that?
The
Ooh,
strength,
what is that?
Oh,
What
yeah.
is that?
the strength of the machinery.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Maybe it's just touching on the hitch.
Are you huh? Are you supposed to be like move the truck moving like that? Huh?
That's something that we felt.
Oh, I thought we broke it. We didn't.
What? Oh yeah, you know what? The mirrors would have been off if I didn't have a high temperature.
Yes.
Right.
You're right.
I like the lights.
I do. It's so pretty. This would be a good nighttime car wash.
Look at the brushes.
Yeah.
The brushes aren't even like cotton or whatever the material, the fabric. It's actually like, is that vinyl?
Rubbery, almost like the material in
Yeah.
windshield wipers.
You know what that means?
What's that?
Well, at least nothing sticks to it. So that means
Yes.
dirt is not like stuck on it.
Very good.
But you wonder if that actually ruins paint.
Possibility. That's why we don't take our other cars through here.
But I bet this truck is going to be really clean.
Yeah, we'll see.
I just care if it gets dry.
Oh, good. Oh, my God.
That's how I judge these washes.
You should see all the soap in the back of the
Yeah.
You want your viewers to see it? You have your camera. Look at
Look
all
at that, YouTubers.
Yeah.
Very good. We're a team, aren't we?
Yeah. We done a nighttime car wash with those type of lights before in Carrollton.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, and there's a car behind us too.
Yeah.
And we done an early morning car wash with those lights too in Irvin.
Spot free rents coming up.
Remember that car wash in Irvin that we went to early in the morning?
Yeah.
That one had those great lights.
Yeah, it has. I like this one.
Yeah. All right. So.
So far, I like this.
Yep. The machine.
Look.
The dryer is everything for me.
Yep.
The driver is all about the dryer.
Yep. You'll see what the sign will say.
More about the cleanliness. That it cleans.
Go
How
forward.
much does the wash cost?
Let me check the receipt. So it.
$12.
$12. Yep. All right.
Okay. We've got.
Oh, there's a timer on the left. 1 minute.
Yeah, so that way I can take my time and get a proportionate dry out of it. It was actually 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Yeah.
I prefer a 90-second dryer.
Yeah. Right. 30 seconds. Okay. 28.
A third of the way. Thank you, investor.
Right. 20 seconds.
Well, let's just get the cab dry.
Oh, somebody pulled in. That early. Oh, you got 2 cars behind us.
Yeah, we almost got rear-ended, you know?
It could have been dangerous,
Ooh,
guys.
if y'all can see all this water just going up in the back
Yeah.
of the bed.
Now let's
oh my
hop
God.
outside and check it out.
Yeah. Still soap on the
take a
truck
look.
bed.
This will impress the investor.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was a Ryko Softgloss Maxx 5 car wash at the Shell 7-Eleven gas station. Bye.